Hey guys, we are here in DC. So heading to hotel right now. It's kind of a little bit rainy. It's raining a little bit, not kind of. So you can see bad roads. That's also our hotel. Yeah, that's the Capitol Hill. Oh, now they put a fence on it. They don't used to be fence over here. So, wow. I walk all this way with my foot. Was gonna be cold. So yeah, how are you? Eckhart Joseph, how are you? Yeah. Let me share this video right quick. Oh, my phone don't further. So I'm protecting it. So it's raining. It's gonna be bad today. So I heard it's gonna rain tomorrow too. The former hotel that I was gonna stay in, so it was like a lot of minutes to the White House. I said no. Thank God we are going to Capitol Hill on Monday. So it's not raining on Monday, right? So that is a good choice. That is the birthday. Thank God for that. But it would have been good to do, go out a little bit tomorrow. Go out. Okay guys, it's raining. There's nothing I can do in the rain. Raining. So